What size wheel spacers should I choose for BMW?
You can run different size wheel spacers with no problem. For most cars, there is difference in the track width between the front and the rear. By increasing the track width, these BMW spacers help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to better handling. When choosing wheel spacers, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality spacers must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy wheel spacer is that the hard anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevents rusting. Installing wheel spacers on BMW X series is an ordinary option that most people will do.
BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-central rings. The multi-layers design provides the beavers to fit the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and a better load transition.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS BMW wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.